Hi guys, it's Miss Smith. I'm going to show you how to use flamingtext.com in order to make your one word project online or make it digital. You can draw your one word. Please do not feel like you have to do it online. This class is graphic design, so I want you to try to use Flaming Text. It's super easy. Later on in the class, I'm going to show you how to use Google Drawings and other things like that. If you would rather use Canva because you had fun with your About Me poster, you may use Canva to do your one word. But I'm going to show you a new website that I found. It's called Flaming Text. It's super easy to use. So I'm not sure if you saw my examples or not, but my word is new. So right here at the beginning, once you get to flamingtext.com, you're just going to type in your word. What I did see or understand, and as you can see, I've done Harry Potter, however you type it, that's how it's going to look. But some of the fonts that you'll see, it just does it however it wants to do it. So it doesn't matter. So I'm going to do mine like this because that's the best way, but you can change it. It doesn't really matter. So then you click on Get Started, and it will start showing you the text that you like. And you can go through, as you can see, there's 29 pages. I'm not going to go through all of them, but this was the first one that I liked. And I clicked on it, and then it gave me these other options, which I ended up liking this one more. So I clicked on it. If you like this one, then go ahead and click on Edit Logo. But if you find one down at the bottom that you like different, click on it. Then it will bring you to the editing spot. Like I said, you will get a chance to change your text or here, but it looks like no matter what I do, my font's going to be all capitalized. So I'm going to leave that there. I cannot mess with the font size because it says premium. So if I even go to make the font bigger, let's say all the way over here, it says, it's premium, you got to update. Well, I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to go back to whatever it was over here. I think it was like $99.97. It doesn't matter. So there's my font. I'm going to keep that because I really like that font. Advanced, most of this stuff's premium. I wouldn't mess with it, but if you want to go there, you can. Then I'm going to go, you can go to, do not click next. You want to go ahead and click on the tabs to change. These are really cool. So you can change the color. Obviously, there's the gray color. Just a little hint. Let's pretend that you like this gray color and you're playing around. You can always, play around. But let's say, oh, you don't like that blue, but how do you get that gray color back? You can always click cancel to get back to the original. Another tip I would give you is have a piece of paper or a pen or something next to you and just remember this number. Write it down. So I would write down 343641. So then that way, whenever I'm dragging around and finding new colors and playing, if I don't like it, I can always go back and type what I liked. So 343641. Click enter, and there's the gray again. So I can click on OK. Like I said, you can always click cancel. Here is just the outline. What color do you want it? Here's the outline color. It's the tan. If I want to change that, I can see what it looks like. And I don't like it. I really liked the way it was. So I'm going to do that. Then there's an outline too. As you can see, there is nothing there. So I'm going to play around with that, but I'm going to use the pattern, which is really cool. If you click on pattern, right now it's still not going to show anything. I got to make it bigger. So I'm going to just try to just see what it looks like. And okay, so it did around my outline 2, or my outline 1, I guess. It went around outline 2 went around outline 1. So I'm going to click on that and see what happens. So it looks like it gives you different options. And there's a bunch of different things on here. I really like the cheetah print. And see what that looks like. That is the one that I went with. Okay. Gradient, same thing. You can click and it gives you gradient options. You can pick. I like that. The inset highlight, curve highlight, you guys can play with that yourself. I'm going to click over to shadow. Same thing. This has a drop shadow already. If I click none, it goes away. You can see what it looks like. but I like the drop shadow. If I don't like the color, same thing as the other color. You can do reflection. Okay, you can do glow. You got to be careful with glow. That steps into the premium. I'm going to go back to drop. You can look at the other ones yourselves. Background, you can do the color. Like once again, you can do the pattern, gradient. Sunburst is kind of cool. Okay, but I'm going to go back to color. I liked that color. And finally, the image. You can fix the size, whatever. I'm going to leave it as is. So I'm going to go to next. And then it's all done. You have the option to buy the logo. I'm not asking you to buy the logo. Please don't. When it's free to download. So just click on download and it will save to your computer. And if you want to go back and edit, you can edit it. If you want to start all over, just click on choose logo and it will take you all the way back to the beginning where you can type in your new word. My computer is very slow, so there we go. There you go. Hope that helped. Bye, guys.